Okay, this is just a short video comparing a CGC slab and a slab from CBCS. Okay, um, let's see what the main differences are. For sure, for those that are familiar with the CGC cases, they all came with I'm not sure what kind of plastic this is. This is not poly, but as most are familiar with buying CGC slab, like when you first get this plastic, they tend to be in good shape, but the material that's used tend to deteriorate and get wrinkled and dinged up fairly quickly. Okay, this is my book that I sent in to get grading, so the bags was fresh, and just from taking the books in and out of the shelf over the last couple of years, this is what happened to the bag. And it's not a big deal for me. Okay, some people love to have clear shiny bags, so they went out there and buy Mylight or Mylar bags for the slab, which is, for some people that's what they want to see. Not for me, I don't care. But here is the plastic. I'm not sure if this is plastic of some sort, but this is what come with the CBCS case, and it have a self-seal adhesive. It's nice, and it's as you can see, it's clearer. Okay, so the slab within the plastic have a better appearances. Whenever if I was to take a picture of the slab to sell, often I had to take it out of these bags because it give a cloudy look. But I think for CBCS slab inside this really clear plastic, I don't think I need to. Okay, so there you go. So that's the differences in the plastic. Not a big deal. If you put the two slabs side by side, you can see that the CGC slab have a bluish tint compared to the clearer color of this CBCS slab. I'm not sure. To me, it make no differences. But if you look at them side by side, you can definitely see the differences. Is it clearer as far as this slab? I can't say for sure. It's clearer in the plastic compared to the plastic that's used for CGC case, but it looked good. The enclosed examination of the inner sleeve, as you can see, it looked pretty good. I don't plan to crack out any of these, but if I ever do, I probably will do a video just to show you how. But unlike the CGC cases, it's very different as far as the construction of the slab. There's some kind of moving pieces here. I'm not sure. Of course, then the moving piece on top, and then this is the corner. Unlike the CGC cases, where the corner is where the breaking point is as far as cracking them out, the corners are somewhat different for these slabs. So cracking this slab out is going to take a different approach compared to cracking a CGC slabs. Okay, and there is some minor imperfection right there, as you can see on the edges. Doesn't bother me. Okay, but a few of my slabs have that kind of slight imperfection on the edge. Not a big deal. I just want to point out so that people know that the way the slabs are produced, sometimes you have a little imperfection like that on the edge, but that's not abnormal. I have a couple of CBCS slab, and they all have a slight imperfection like that on the edge. Okay. But overall, pretty good looking, sturdy feel cases for sure. I'm so used to holding these that It's feels maybe a little bit heavier than the CGC case. As far as the slabs, let's see. They are almost the same size, okay? The CBCS is slightly bigger, slightly taller, okay? I'm not sure if it's possible for me to show this, but as you can see, if you stack them up, it's very minimal. You're talking about not even a 1/4 inch, okay? More than 1/8, but maybe a 1/4 inch maximum taller. And it is slightly thicker, slightly, okay? Especially at the four corners. And it's a cool logo imprinted on each corner, as you can see. So as you can see, it's slightly taller. The CBS case is slightly taller, slightly thicker, and slightly wider. Look at that. Okay, you're talking about less than a 1/4 inch, more than 1/8 maybe, if that. So in case you're curious to see how big or what the big difference is between the two, I think if you buy one of those special boxes for slabs, I think the CBCS book slabs will still fit quite nicely inside, because you're talking about within 1/8 of an inch differences here and there on all 3 dimensions. Okay, and that's it. Of course, the other big differences is as I mentioned already in my previous video, the label on top is sealed within the plastic compared to the CGC label on top that can peel off over time. And then of course, the one thing that's different about CBCS is getting graders notes. So if you go to their website and type in this number, you will get the free graders notes. Okay, and that's it. Hopefully that helped answer some questions for those that's curious to see what's the differences between CGC and CBCS. Thanks, bye.